What's up, back to the channel, guys. I'm here in yard and it's still raining out here. You'll see it's still raining out here. I really don't want to mess up my camera, but I want to check this out because I bought a new grill for the Flex. You'll see, I bought a new grill for the Flex. Yeah, I did. Bought a new grill for the Flex. I'm being worried because I'm looking around. There are a few raccoons walking around here. You'll see. There are a few raccoons walking around here. And I don't want to get bit by a raccoon. Man, it's starting to pour out here. Let's try it before it starts, before this rain gets too bad, okay? Let's get the grill. Okay, I'm gonna put this under here. Let's see how that goes. Okay. Okay, that's how it fits. It fits pretty good, guys. But it's so raining out here. See that? So that's how that will fit. See that? Yeah. We got the headlights. Man. It's raining. It got mad as soon as I came out here. But yeah, it fits good. It fits pretty good. You know, I can't complain. Well, I can't complain. But yeah, but I gotta watch out because, like I said, it's a raccoon back here somewhere with her two cubs. You know, I don't want to become one of the victims, but if they bite me, you already know how that's gonna go. It's gonna the raccoons bite me. I'm sorry. That will be a death sentence for them. I'm telling you, it would be a death sentence for them. So I wouldn't recommend them to do that. You know, you see, I wouldn't recommend it. You see, they better let bygones be bygones. Because if they bite me, then it's definitely a death sentence for them. 100%. 100% a death penalty. You see? It's raining. If it wasn't raining, I would get the headlights out. Because we do have the headlights. You see, we do have the headlights. Of course, you know, y'all saw when the bumper got ripped off. Yeah, that's the bumper right there. It's a nice bumper, you see. We need that middle piece down there. But other than that, it's a nice bumper. Only thing about that, we do not have these sensors on our truck, because I think this come off of a 2019. Yeah, and ours is a 2015 or 2014, one of those years. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's starting to pour out here. This was a quick video. We're not going to be working on Kia today because it's just raining too bad out here. All right, I'm probably messing up by doing it. Not going to hurt my camera. Okay, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. This was a very, very short one. But yeah, we're gonna put the headlights on here, and we're gonna see how it looks. I think it's gonna look pretty good. It's gonna look very decent. We're gonna put the headlight and the bumper back on, you see? Yeah, then we're gonna finish doing all the welding. We're gonna take this fender back off and finish doing the welding on that. And we gotta finish doing the welding down here on the door as well, right here. Gotta finish that up. Yeah, and that's gonna be all she wrote. Then we gotta do some work on the door. All right, let me get out of here, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. This one. Peace.